Hare Krishna, our dearmost Guru Maharaj.
Kindly accept our respectful obeisances on the behalf of Madhya Pradesh Youth Forum.
We wish you a very happy 72nd appearance day.
Dear Guru Maharaj, your unlimited wisdom and then your passion has given us lots of energy to do services to Madhya Pradesh youth to engage and then enlighten them in the Krishna consciousness. To name a few, we have done a series of programs and then like Bhagavad Gita by the youth for the youth, in which each youth has been given allocated Bhagavad Gita slokas and they will come and present to their own class of youths. And then in another youth Yuvacha, each one has present on the personality of Srimad Bhagavatam, and they have done an extra mile of chanting during the Ekadasi day, during the Purushottam month and Tamodar months. And there is another series of programs have been done during this Corona period. Dear Guru Maharaj, all this your unlimited mercy has given them inspiration to become an aspirant devotee for all of you. On 16th of April, around 50 youths have taken aspirant unto your lotus feet, Guru Maharaj.
Dear Guru Maharaj, we need your endless mercy and blessings so that all these youths of Madhya Pradesh become exceptional great warriors like you in the mission of Srila Prabhupada and spreading Krishna consciousness all over the world and adding glories to your lotus feet.
Serving Madhya Pradesh Youth Forum by your spiritual son Mohan Rupa Shamadas,
your daughter Antaranga Madhavi Devi Dasi,
Hare
always seeking your blessings. Jai Srila Gurudev.
Jai Srila Prabhupada. Hare Bol Guru Maharaj. Kindly accept this video as an offering, as a Vyasa offerings from all the Madhya Pradesh youths. Thank you, Guru Maharaj.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances unto your lotus feet. I am not qualified to speak to you Guru Maharaj, but thank you for giving me aspiration and accepting this fallen soul. Guru Maharaj, you have always encouraged us and inspired us by preaching in the most difficult times also. You have shown us the path of light in this world filled with darkness. Hearing your life history motivates us to focus on Krishna more and more. This year, my sankalpa is to chant more rounds and engage myself in deity services. Guru Maharaj, we will continue to chant and pray to Krishna for your good health. Please shower your mercy on me so that I can follow my sankalpa regularly and also carry on the message of Harinam and become a good devotee of Lord Krishna. Your humble servant Archana.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my most respectful, humble obeisances. Dear Guru Maharaj, I don't know if I am fit enough to be able to talk to you, but I am very grateful for this opportunity to be able to communicate with you. Dear Guru Maharaj, you are my biggest role model and I am your biggest fan. The way you are able to inspire devotees to take up Krishna consciousness in all circumstances is something that I wish to learn. Dear Guru Maharaj, please bless me so that I am able to serve Lord Krishna with full devotion and that I am able to do my prescribed rounds with full dedication and Krishna consciousness. Dear Guru Maharaj, I need your prayers and blessings as my only wish is to become a good devotee doctor and to become a good disciple of yours. Dear Guru Maharaj, your blessings and prayers is my vaccination against the diseases of Maya. So dear Guru Maharaj, please pray for me and please bless me. Jai Srila Gurudev. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, my name is Amrita VM. A very happy Krishna conscious birthday to our dear Guru Maharaj. With Guru Maharaj's blessings, I am able to do my services and chant at least 2 to 6 rounds each day. I feel very blessed to be an aspirant devotee under your guidance. Once again, happy Krishna conscious birthday. dear Guru Maharaj, Hare Krishna, Hare Bol.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. Please accept my respectful obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to your divine self. Very happy 72nd Vyasa Puja, Guru Maharaj. On this auspicious day, I seek your blessings to always serve you eternally. I'll chant my rounds regularly and promise you that I'll be an instrument in fulfilling Srila Prabhupada's mission. Your lovingly spiritual daughter, Anushya.
Hare Krishna to my dear spiritual grandfather, dear Guru Maharaj. Please accept my humble obeisances at your lotus feet. And Hare Krishna conscious birthday to you. You have taught us what is the purpose of life and given the message of Harinam. You have saved us from the clutches of the Maya. Thank you so much. Dear Gurudev, you are a role model for the aspiring youths like me. It's astonishing to see you give lectures and do service despite of pure health. But it's equally pleasant to see you recover. The smile on your face and the loud Hari Bol from your mouth can bring joy in a sad person, can bring faith in a person who doesn't have faith in Krishna. Dear Gurudev, you have given us your guidance all the time. You have shown and lived how to serve the Lord with a pure heart. You are a Patapavana. Please bless me to become a preacher like you. I would be glad if I would even get 1% of your devotion. I would also like to tell that your Tithi and your birthday is exactly same as mine. I feel very lucky person. I thank Krishna for giving me opportunity to have darshan and attend the Mayapur Mandal Parikrama this year online. I pray to Lord Nrsingadev to protect you, always bless me to become a pure devotee. You will always fly high in our hearts. And once again, happy Krishna conscious birthday to you. Hari Bol. Your humble servant and grandson Archit Shorle from Mathura Desh. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Jai Pataka Swaminiti Namine Nama Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pradayane Gaura Katha Dhamnadaya Nagar Agrama Tarine. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, my name is Bandana Sharma Guru Maharaj. I am from Mathura Desh. Please bless me Guru Maharaj so that I can continue my services nicely and chant properly and finally go back to Golok Vrindavan Dham. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj.
Dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances on the auspicious occasion of 72nd Vyas Puja Day. We are greatly indebted to you because you have given the path of devotional life that we feel by following this devotional path and rendering devotional services makes our life successful. In this current situation, we know that many people are suffering. And Guru Maharaj, you have only taught us that Harinam can save us. You have delightfully taught us that in this mood of Srila Prabhupada and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to engage in devotional service and to learn many scriptures like Srimad Bhagavatam and Srimad Bhagavad Gita that has opened our eyes, and now we can see the things that are factual in front of us. Guru Maharaj, we are really blessed to have you in our life because without you, our life would just be like animals who would eat and sleep the whole day. But now we see from the perspective of pleasing Krishna the amount of love and blessings we are getting from Vaishnavas, how we can make our soul truly happy and remove illusion from our lives. We have now also understood the real purpose of life. So please bless me, my parents and my entire family and keep us always connected in performing devotional service in serving Srila Prabhupada and you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances on your lotus feet. On the occasion of your Vyasa Puja, I wish you a happy Krishna conscious birthday. May Lord Nrsimhadev bless you and keep you in good health. Dear Guru Maharaj, I would take this opportunity to beg for your mercy. You have been an eye-opener to me. Even though in your physical discomforts and challenging situations, it didn't become an obstacle in your mission and service to Krishna. You stood like a lighthouse to all other devotees. But still my mind is not serious in Krishna consciousness. As an aspiring devotee of yours, I beg at your lotus feet and request for your blessings so that I become serious in Krishna consciousness and serve you in your mission. Dear Gurudev, I seek your blessings so that I can develop the taste in chanting and serve Krishna and his devotees. Your insignificant servant, Chaitanya. Hare Krishna.
विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले श्रीमते जय पताका स्वामी नामिने नमः आचार्य पादाय निताय कृपा प्रदायिने गौरगाथा धामधाय नागर ग्रामतारिणे. हरे कृष्ण. Dear Guru Maharaj, happy Krishna conscious birthday dear Guru Maharaj. Please accept my humble obeisances onto your lotus feet. I will pray Lord Narsimha to protect you always. Please bless me so that I can also be a pure devotee of Lord Shri Krishna. From your humble servant Darshana. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances onto your lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada and all glories to you. On this auspicious day of your appearance, I would like to pray to Krishna to give you good health and millions of years to spread this glorious mission. I feel that I'm really fortunate and blessed to have your divine grace as my Guru Maharaj. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude for your blessings on my birthday. I hope that COVID would disappear from this world and would see your divine grace in your next visit to Madhya Pradesh. Please bless me, Guru Maharaj, so that I would be able to continue serving Guru and Gauranga. Your most humble servant, Devangana.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances onto your lotus feet. I am Dhriti from Mathura Desh. Guru Maharaj, wish you many more happy returns of the day. I pray to Narsingadev to always protect you and keep you healthy so that you can guide and inspire devotees and aspirants like me. Guru Maharaj, I beg for your blessings so that I can chant my committed rounds regularly and attentively. And Guru Maharaj, I am also happy to inform you that I share Krishna Katha on a weekly basis to a group of children. Guru Maharaj, I offer this for your pleasure. And Guru Maharaj, also please bless me so that I can at least get a bit of your enthusiasm and determination so that I can be an instrument in your services. And Guru Maharaj, please bless me so that I can progress in my spiritual life and take your shelter in the near future. Jai Srila Prabhupada, Jai Srila Gurudev, Hare Krishna.
हरि बोल. नमः ओम विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले श्रीमद् भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. I offer my humble obeisances unto your lotus feet. I wish you a very happy 72nd Krishna Consciousness birthday. First, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak about you. I want to become a great devotee like you, a great preacher like you, a great singer like you. You taught us how to go back to Godhead. You taught us the meaning and use of life. Why are we given this chance of life? I thank you so much for bringing me and many other devotees into Krishna consciousness. I humbly request you to pray for me, your servant, Shri Gauranga. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. The day of Vyas Puja is indeed a reminder to us that how much we are obliged to do in order to justify your mercy. During this pandemic situation, when most of the people got shattered with their plans and dreams, we who are holding the hands of a great Vaishnava like you are able to fulfill our plans, which are our spiritual commitments towards you. This year, I'm promising you that I'll start to read Srimad Bhagavatam and increase my current rounds of japa with 2 more rounds. and also will be actively participating in all the festivals. Thanking you for your mercy and wishing you more healthy years and praying for your well-being.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances at your lotus feet. Guru Maharaj, wish you a very happy 72nd Vyasa Puja. I humbly request the Lordships for your long life and good health. Guru Maharaj, I'm truly inspired by you. It is very hard for a youth, even a youth, to match your schedule. And I'm truly amazed by your spirit and your determination to fight things out and win over situations in life. I humbly request you to bless me to progress in my spiritual life and take initiation from you and become your worthy servant. Thank you for everything, Guru Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear Gurudev. I am Bhaktin Harini from Mathura Desh. Please accept my humble obeisances onto your lotus feet. Today, on the auspicious occasion of your 72nd Vyas Puja, I would pray to Radha Madhav, Narsimha Dev and Panchatattva to always protect you and give you good health. It is just mind-blowing to see how you preach across the whole world even in the toughest times. You are like a mentor to the young generation or the youth generations aspiring us to achieve greater heights. Please bless me so that I can become a great devotee of Lord Krishna under your guidance. Today I would like to take a few vows. Firstly, I would offer water to Tulsi Maharani and pray for the betterment of your health and also for the progress of my spiritual life. I would also offer bhoga to Lord Krishna and pray for you. Please forgive me if I have committed any offenses knowingly or unknowingly. Will always want to be in your shelter. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, dear Gurudev. I offer my respectable obeisances under your lotus feet. Happy Krishna conscious birthday. I pray to Lord Narsimha Dev to give you a good health condition. Last week during the online visit to Mathura Desh, I took aspiration. Even though I am not eligible, you are ready to give me aspiration. Dear Gurudev, you are so merciful. Instead of thinking about your health, you are always thinking about the welfare of all the living entities and making them connect to Lord Krishna. Even I want to be a part of the Srila Prabhupada's mission and follow your instructions. I will try to improve my quality of chanting and even read Srila Prabhupada's books so that I can improve my knowledge and spread the message of Srila Prabhupada to many others. Last Kartik month, I even conducted Damodar Puja with my friends under the guidance of Mohan Rupa Prabhu and Antaranga Mataji. In this way, even I want to preach to many others. So Gurudeva, please bless me so that I can serve your lotus feet with a proper mode. Hare Krishna.
नमः विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले श्रीमते जय पताका स्वामीति नामिने नमः आचार्यपदाय निताय कृपाप्रदायिने गौरकथा धामधाय नागरग्रमतारिणे. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances. A very happy Krishna conscious birthday, dear Guru Maharaj. I pray to Lord Narsimha Dev to always protect you. Please bless me so that I can become a good devotee of Krishna. Your humble servant, Hiral. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances. Guru Maharaj, this is Rishikesh from Mathura Desh, and I wish you many more happy returns of the day. And I pray to Lord Narsimha Dev to always protect you, keep you strong and healthy, so that you can continue to inspire and guide many devotees and aspirants like me. Guru Maharaj, I beg for your mercy so that I can regularize my chanting and I should not even miss a single day so that I can please you and Krishna. At the same time, Guru Maharaj, I am very happy to inform you that I have enrolled in this Bhakti Shastri course for your pleasure and I have neared its end. So please bless me so that all the knowledge that I have acquired through this course will be useful to bring at least few devotees unto your lotus feet. Guru Maharaj, for me, you are the embodiment of determination and enthusiasm. So I beg you again to
bless me so that a little bit or at least of that enthusiasm rubs onto me, and I can guide at least one or two devotees unto your lotus feet into this great movement that was started by Prabhupada. Thank you, Guru Maharaj, for all your blessings and all the mercy you have showered on me. Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Gurudev.
नमः विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती जयपताका स्वामीति नामिने नमाचार्य पदाय निताय कृपा प्रदायिने गौरकथा धामदाय नागर ग्रमतारिणे. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, I offer my humble obeisance onto your lotus feet, and on the occasion of Guru Vyas Puja, I wish you a happy Krishna conscious birthday, and please bless me so I can become a good devotee of Krishna and I can keep distance between me and Maya throughout the life and follow the instructions of Srila Prabhupada, and I'll keep praying to Lord Nrsimhadev for your good health and to protect you. Hare Krishna. Your aspiring servant Karthik. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. Please accept my humble obeisance onto your lotus feet. On this very special occasion of Vyasa Puja, I would like to wish you a many more happy Krishna conscious birthday, dear Gurudev. Right from my childhood, seeing your enthusiasm, determination and perseverance in completing each and every task of a guru and a devotee has truly amazed me. How boldly you have overcome all the hardships with your hands pressed to the beads and your heart immersed in Radha Krishna. I pray to Lord Nrsimhadev to always protect you and to keep you cheerful as always. Dear Guru Maharaj, kindly bless me to continue this Krishna consciousness without any obstacles and to serve you as your servant and a disciple, and moreover in completing and helping Prabhupada in his mission that is spreading the Krishna consciousness worldwide. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances. This is to wish you a very happy birthday and to let you know how fortunate I am to have you as my spiritual master. Your special day is the perfect opportunity to show the love and gratitude I have for you. Thank you for inspiring and supporting me through this passage of life. Please bless me so that I can do well in my exams, follow the 4 regulative principles and serve the Guru and Gauranga eternally. Dear Guru Maharaj, you are the God-sent gift to us. Happy birthday.
Hare Krishna Dandavat Pranam Guru Maharaj. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swamiti Namine. Please accept my humble obeisances to your lotus feet. So I would like to thank you because you have thought as the main purpose of our life. First of all, wishing you a very happy Krishna consciousness birthday. To have saved us from the clutches of Mayavi, please bless me so that I can be a pure devotee. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine Namo Macharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Pradayane Gaurakatha Dhamadhaya Nagara Gramatarine. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances on this auspicious day of your Vyas Puja. I wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Because of your mercy, I attend Bhagavad Gita classes every day and I chant 4 rounds. Please bless me and my family so that we can serve you better and gradually progress in our devotional services. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances at your lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine Nama Acharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Pradayane Gaurakatha Dhamadaya Nagara Gramatarine. Guru Maharaj, I was under the veil of material darkness, but by your causeless mercy, I understood the purpose of life. You travel to different parts of the world and accept any hardship for the process of preaching. This inspires me to be determined in preaching and spreading Krishna consciousness. You work tirelessly and preach dynamically in India and around the globe. In spite of your challenging health, you have been using modern technology for preaching and fulfilling the instructions given by your spiritual master. You are an inspiration to all of us. I would like to start my service by chanting my rounds regularly. I will read books to understand the philosophies and get closer to Krishna. I'll make efforts to inspire my friends to join this glorious moment. Guru Maharaj, please bless me so that I can be Krishna conscious and grow spiritually. Please bless me so that I can also be engaged in devotional services and serve you in your missions. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, your humble servant, Manasi Murugapan.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaja. Please accept my most respectful obeisances at your divine lotus feet. Happy 72nd appearance day, dear Guru Maharaja. I am an aspiring disciple, desiring to progress in my spiritual life. You are a great source of inspiration to everyone, Guru Maharaja. I wish that I could have the same discipline and enthusiasm in my life and balance everything efficiently. On this auspicious day, please bless me to become your worthy servant and chant 16 rounds and engage in the services. Thank you very much, Guru Maharaja. Hare Krishna.
विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने नमाचार्य पादाय नित्य कृपा प्रदारिणे गौरकथा धामदाय नागर क्रमकारिणे. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, I offer my humble obeisance on your lotus feet on the occasion of Vyas Puja. I wish you a happy Krishna conscious birthday. Please bless me so I become a good devotee of Lord Krishna, and I pray to Lord Narasimha for your good health and protection. Your humble servant Nikunj.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jaya Pataka Swami Niti Namine, Nama Acharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Padayane Gaur Katha Dhamdaya Nagar Brahmatarini. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, it's been a fortune since I became Krishna conscious, and I'm trying to become a small devotee by chanting. My whole life has been so blissful and I'm very happy. My spiritual and also my non-spiritual life has been wonderful by your blessings, and I want to continue this forever and never stop. Thank you so much, Guru Maharaj, and please bless me so that I can continue my services nicely. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances at your lotus feet. This is Rahul from Mathura Desh, and on this glorious occasion of your Vyasa Puja Guru Maharaj, I'd like to wish you a very, very happy birthday, and your determination to keep spreading Krishna consciousness and to continue the mission of Srila Prabhupada amidst all these health difficulties is really inspiring for youth like us, Guru Maharaj. So I pray to Lord Narasimhadev to keep your health in good condition and to protect you against all difficulties. And Guru Maharaj, I beg for your mercy and blessings so that I can continue my Krishna consciousness and continue my daily japa without committing any offenses. And once again, wish you many more returns of the day, Guru Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. Please bless me, your spiritual son Raghav. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, dearest Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances unto your divine lotus feet. You are the source of my inspiration and the epitome of tenacity. Your glories are immeasurable, and a few words from someone as insignificant as me are not qualified enough to glorify you, Guru Maharaj. And your wonderful nature, full of humor and happiness despite the earth even collapsing, is a trait that I hope to achieve by 0.001%. I cannot begin to understand the amount of pains you may be enduring due to the huge amount of karmas by people like me, and I deeply apologize for not carrying out my devotional services. I am currently a student in 12th standard, and I please ask your blessings
so that I get a good result for your happiness, Guru Maharaj, and for Krishna. And I am hoping to take initiation as soon as possible. Yours most insignificant, Riya, Mathura Desh.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances unto your lotus feet. Wishing you a very happy appearance day, Guru Maharaj. I sincerely pray to Lord Krishna so that you always remain in good health and constantly be there with us and guide us in the service of the lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna. Guru Maharaj, from the very first time I saw you, I felt inspired to contribute to and become a strong soldier in the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srila Prabhupada. Guru Maharaj, on this auspicious day, please bless me so that I am able to chant my rounds regularly and with concentration and apply the teachings of Bhagavad Gita in my life without fail. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. On the auspicious occasion of Vyasa Puja, I would like to convey my heartfelt wishes to you, wishing you an amazing Krishna conscious birthday. Please accept my humble obeisances unto your lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. When I got an opportunity to present a session on your glories and services, it was an eye-opener for me. How well you advanced in Krishna consciousness and how sincerely you rendered services amidst all situations and still strive to inspire millions. I rely on you. Drag me to Krishna. Bless me to engage myself in devotional service. I'm yet to advance in my spiritual path, but I'm sure it can happen only by the grace of your mercy. I wish I will be one of the flowers in the garland of your devotees. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances unto your lotus feet, and all glories to Srila Prabhupada. I was very young when my parents joined Krishna consciousness. I used to be that very small girl who used to come to programs just to have prasadam and meet her friends, just unaware of the darkness of material world and aim to get back to Godhead. I got to know these things in this span of 3 to 4 years. I am very grateful to you. You are my true role model in this spiritual journey and a true inspiration to all the devotees. In spite of your challenging health, you have been traveling to so many different countries, passing on the message of Srila Prabhupada regarding Krishna consciousness. As a young youth, I can contribute my small bit by propagating the spiritual knowledge to my friends and families regarding my understanding of glories of Lord and the philosophy that I understand from Bhagavad Gita, and regularly do my chanting and engage myself in Krishna services. Dear Guru Maharaj, please bless me so that I can successfully contribute and regularly engage myself in Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. Please accept my respectful obeisances at your lotus feet. My name is Shivam from Mathura Desh, and I am a youth from Her Grace Premnandini Mataji's Mahachakra. After attending several Krishna Katha sessions, I have understood my life's goal. I will chant the Harinam Maha Mantra more and follow the Vaidhi Bhakti with the association with other devotees. For this, I need your mercy and blessings. I have been to Mayapur Dham with my parents. I like the Gurukul, the deities, and the food at the Chandradar Mandir. I also liked the whole landscape and the housing. I know it is your hard work and dedication to Srila Prabhupada. I also take part in youth classes and youth camps, and I like it very much. Please bless me. Your spiritual son, Shivam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances unto your divine lotus feet. Guru Maharaj, on this very special occasion of yours, I wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Seeing you take up a lot of pain for conditioned souls like me always reminds me of my services towards you and towards Lord Krishna. Also, seeing you giving non-stop lectures on Facebook or in any live session truly inspires me so much. Guru Maharaj, please bless and give me more strength so that I can do my prescribed rounds of chanting and to do more seva to serve you in your mission. I pray to Lord Narasimhadev as always to protect you and to give you good health and long life. Your humble servant Tanushri Mathuradesh. Hari Bol.
नमः शुद्धाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती जयपताका स्वामी नामिने नमाचार्य बतानिता कृपा प्रदायिने गौर कथा दामदाय नागराक्रमधारिणे. Dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances on your divine lotus feet. Guru Maharaj, your aspiring devotee wishes you happy birthday on your 72nd Vyasa Puja. Guru Maharaj, I seek blessings from you so that I remove all my material unnecessary desires, anger, false ego, lust, and advance towards Lord Krishna. Maharaj, I want to chant more and more rounds, but my laziness stops me from doing spiritual activities and studies. Please bless me so that I get rid of my obstacle. Guru Maharaj, as a child, I must keep my parents happy and help them in their hardships. Please help me to do so. Maharaj, please bless me that I do enough studies which can help me in Krishna consciousness and help preach the name of Lord. Guru Maharaj, even though I am unworthy of it, please allow me to do chanting for you and your good health. Your servant, Nitai.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances onto your lotus feet. And on the occasion of your Vyasa Puja, I would like to wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Guru Maharaj, you are a very extraordinary person. I've never seen a devotee like you before, and I wish I could get little bit of your determination. And even in this condition, I don't know, Guru Maharaj, you're very enthusiastic, very determined to propagate Krishna consciousness, and you're never giving up on Prabhupada's mission. And I would like to be a part of Prabhupada's mission. And as you know, Guru Maharaj, we are having this pandemic, and everyone is having abundant time to practice devotional service. I have increased little bit time in my japa, and I'm getting time to listen Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam classes. I'm also getting opportunities to read and explain Bhagavad Gita. I've inspired some of my relatives and family members to do Damodar Aarti, and I have explained the significance of Kartik Maas. I plan on doing more devotional service and learning more in this period, and take advantage of the time Krishna is giving us. And I hope with your mercy I can serve you and Srila Prabhupada and proceed in my spiritual life without any obstacles and circumstances. Please take care of your health, Guru Maharaj. We'll always be praying for you. Hari Bol.